What is up, guys? Welcome back to episode 6 of our 2013 Toyota Tacoma in beautiful hunter green that we picked up from Copart just a few short days ago. We love this truck. Everything is coming together 100%. We got the radiator support in the last video. We got the radiator, the condenser, the air conditioners all set up. We worked on our door. We got the body work done on our used door. We saved a ton of money on that. Enough to go to McDonald's and buy us a biscuit today. It's absolutely amazing we saved so much. So what we got to do, we're going to pop this fender off today. We're going to set this door off. We're going to we're going to finish up the body work on this side. We're going to get it 100% ready to paint. We hope we can. So let's stop talking and let's start working. Man, it has been a lot of sanding and a lot of priming and a lot of bondoing, but we got this side all fixed up. We got the body filler on, we got the glaze on, we got a good coat of primer on, and it is slick, slick, slick. So we put a good bit of filler on, and then we sanded a good bit of filler off. Kind of the way it goes. We had just a little bit of imperfections there, but this side is going to be slick. We just cannot wait. Maybe we'll block it down, put a little bit more primer on it. We hope to see you guys tomorrow in the paint booth. Alrighty guys, it is the next day here. We got the primer on this truck. We got it all untaped. It looks absolutely amazing. 100% OEM, but this truck has needed a wash since the day we got it. It came here from West Virginia with all the West Virginia mud on it. We've got the green machine hooked up. We're going to give it a nice wash. We're going to get everything cleaned off, because hopefully our next stop for this truck is going to be in the paint booth. But we just really need to see how that primer is going to look. So let's fire up the green machine. Let's get the soap out and let's get it washed. The truck all shined up. We got all these parts scuffed up, cleaned up in the booth. We're fixing to put some wax and grease remover on them. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, when we get to this stage in the booth, we got to get everything cleaned up. So we're going to fire the booth up. We're going to get everything cleaned up with some wax and grease remover. We're going to get all that done, and then we're going to tack everything down. These new plastic parts are going to get the Bulldog adhesive promoter. So we're going to put that on. We're going to mix up some paint. We're going to get all of these parts painted today. We got to get it done. The truck is coming in next. So let's get all this stuff painted. Let's get it clean. Let's get it tacked. Let's get the paint mixed. Let's stop talking. Let's start painting. It is the next day here, and we are here with this beautiful Tacoma truck. We're getting ready. We're getting everything ready. We got to get it in the booth today. JP come up. He's going to put this brilliant green on this truck. He's going to make it absolutely glow in the dark. It's going to be a beautiful truck. But what we got to do first is we got to get everything ready. We got to get the color mixed up. We got to get on the hood and sand it down. We're going to get all these things done because, as you saw previously, just a few minutes ago, we painted all those parts and they are absolutely gorgeous. So you know what? That's enough talking. Let's start working. We're mixing up some paint. The next thing we're going to do is pull her up in the booth, get it all taped up, and we're going to get this beautiful color sprayed on this truck today. It's absolutely amazing. So we'll get it in the booth, get it taped up, then we'll put some wax and grease remover on it. We'll tack everything down, then we'll put a little sealer on the spots that need it, mostly the primer, because the primer's porous. The sealer seals it up. If this is your first time stopping by and watching our channel, thank you for stopping by. And if you're new to this and what we're doing, what we did is we sanded everything down with some 400 and 800, and then we scuffed it all up with the scuff pad and the scuff stuff. We brought it out here in the sun to dry. We're mixing up the paint. So that's enough talking. Let's get back to working. Alrighty guys, we have been working on this truck like a bunch of cavemen. It has been another one of those action-packed videos. We got a lot of stuff done in this video. We finished up the body work, we trimmed out all the parts, we painted all the small parts, and today we got that truck painted in the booth. It is a beautiful green. I've been calling it Hunter Green. All this time I called it Hunter Green. Even the mixing computer said it was dark green. But you know what Toyota calls it? Spruce mica. What a name for a color. I knew this thing was rare. We knew it was rare, but spruce mica is the color. It was so hot in the booth. It was about 95, 96 degrees. So we left that truck in there to cool on off and harden on up. We'll get it untaped a little bit later. I do think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. But if you like this video and you like content like this, drop us a like. Possibly consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.